And this is a Java Selenium video. In this video we will see first of all how to create projects in Selenium automation. In this video we will see two types project. First of all we will see simple project Java Selenium simple project, and another we will see second project is Maven project, how to use testng, pom file, xml file. So now first of all we will create simple Java project. I have made mostly project here, but live we will create. Okay, Java project. We need to create a name for this project, just like testing project. Simple रख लेते हैं, testing project. Yeah, next testng project. Next, okay, just yeah, we have a testing project for Selenium automation. We have jar files and JRE system library files here, and we have source folder only. Now we need to create first of all source build library files, build path, config build path. Here we can create external jar files. First of all we need to Chrome driver setup, and then Selenium automation path. Yeah, I also inbuilt both of 3.5.3 and 3.141. I mostly use both paths. Apply next. uh, Here we need Chrome drivers. Okay, without Chrome drivers we can create any project. Yes, Selenium file सेटअप कंट्रोल सी करके हम उसको कॉपी कर लेंगे, या राइट क्लिक करके उसको यहाँ से कॉपी, देन go to Selenium testing project, right click and then paste here. Okay, let's see the Chrome path version. Okay, starting Chrome drivers 109. Okay, these are my, I don't need. I'll also show you my Chrome driver version, Chrome about new version. So my latest version of Chrome browser is 109. So I have built Chrome driver 109 in my project. Let's see first. Now we need to create package name test package like 01. Okay, yeah, I have this one. Now we need to create one Java file. In this video we will see beginning to advanced, basic only, not complete project, only one class. Okay, first of all we need to create class. Here we need to name for this class test case 1. Yeah, we need to create. If you want to create public static void main class directly here, then click on this check bar button, then finish. Yeah, we have a first. Now we will first of all we will create a web driver object. Driver equals driver Now here we can import this Chrome browser. Okay, continue here, just like. Now we can use the all properties for a Chrome browser to launch the browser, to get the any link, to perform the elements, to perform the button clicks. So with the help of this web driver, we can use the all web elements, links, and all of this mm, all things we can use here, just like how to create XPath, how to create ID, path by ID by name. So all of these things. First of all, driver dot here we can pass the link which google.com. There's two types we can take the path of any website, any links, driver.get, and another one is driver dot manage dot window dot 2. Sorry, no, this is not driver dot navigate, driver dot navigate dot navigate dot 2. Yeah, this one is. So we can pass here google.com. Okay, and another one is driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. We use this for maximize for Windows. Okay, then driver dot close, driver close. Yeah. Now first of all, we will see how to create this. Right click on the project and run here, and the Java applications. First of all, we will create refresh this project. Right click, run application, Java application. Now these are showing that something error not secure by this row, but Chrome browser have launched on this project. Okay, yeah. So let's see facebook.com. Oh, sorry. So have to comment on this, control S, and run this file, Java application. Okay, this is not allowed to search the Google by testing Selenium, not secure. Okay, but we can search here, I think so, facebook.com, I think so. Let's see this. Let's check. I think this is something different issue on this run capability. Just see. Let's see on this. Okay, in the next video I'll show you how to run the driver.get just like any link with Selenium automation. या एक्चुअली हम एक थोड़ी सी यहाँ पे एक एरर कर रहे थे, हम डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे facebook.com शो कर रहे थे, बट उधर जो डेटा एरर आ रही थी हमें सिक्योर एरर के, वी कैंट यूज़ द डायरेक्ट फेसबुक, तो वी नीड टू राइट हियर https://www.facebook.com. now we can run this project, run and compile this project. Yeah, testing -1. Yeah, Chrome browser was started successfully. Now it will take few seconds only. Okay, just now. या तो हम देखेंगे, सबसे पहले हमारा क्रोम ब्राउज़र लॉन्च हुआ और अब ये मैक्सिमाइज़ होगा. ठीक है, मैक्सिमाइज़ होने के बाद ये रहा, हमने देखा मैक्सिमाइज़ हुआ. नाउ इट विल मूव टू facebook.com. ठीक है, इसने facebook.com के हमारे लॉगिन पेज को अपलोड किया. नाउ क्लोज दी प्रोजेक्ट, क्योंकि हमने यहाँ पे ड्राइवर डॉट क्लोज की यहाँ पे कमांड दी हुई थी, और उससे पहले एक हमने ये लगाया था कि अगर हमारा ये जो टेस्ट है ये सक्सेसफुल होता है तो ये हमें प्रिंट करा दे system.out.println में सिस्टम रन कंप्लीट. तो हम देखेंगे कि क्लोज़ होने से पहले पहले इसने ये जो कमांड है हमारी, इसने यहाँ पे परफॉर्म कराई टेस्ट रन कंप्लीट. उसके बाद हमारा जो ब्राउज़र था वो क्लोज़ हुआ. तो इस वीडियो में इतना ही रखते हैं. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम देखेंगे मेवन प्रोजेक्ट, और उसमें बहुत उसे हम थोड़ा डिटेल में देखेंगे एक किस तरीके से हम उसमें मेवन प्रोजेक्ट में फॉर्म फाइल बना सकते हैं, टेस्ट क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, एक्सएमएल फाइल बना सकते हैं. इसमें भी अभी हम काफ़ी सारे ये है कि पैकेज किस तरीके से हम पैटर्न यूज़ करते हैं प्रॉपरली, तो इसमें भी ज़्यादा नहीं, उसे हम आगे जब कंप्लीट प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे उसमें डिस्कस करेंगे. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय बाय.